Hey, look, it's Janet and Gareth, the port monkeys. And we're getting off the ship today in Nawiliwili, Kauai, in Hawaii. And and that ship is the Emerald Princess. Oh my, hey, there's the sun. And there's him. So the terminal building, such as it is, these are people returning from wherever, Nawiliwili. And this is where you would meet your tours if you had one. And taxi tours and shuttles are over here, and the car rental shuttles are over here. And you'll have to watch the other video from Nawiliwili to find out the story of budget car rental, but we didn't have a pleasing experience. Anyway, so we're gonna walk to the nearest beach. So right up here, really close, I mean, it's a quarter mile, half a mile, you know, 1,000 meters, give or take, is a Kalapaki beach. It's in front of the hotel. The hotel has restaurants, but we're gonna walk right there. Janet's doing a live right now, so there's the port gates, passenger re-entry, right there. And then here's crosswalk, because you got to cross, and you just follow the fence. Remember, this is a shipping port, it's a busy port, but this is where cruise ships stop too. So, well, there's a good look at the Emerald Princess. So there's the ship. Walk a few hundred feet maybe, and the path veers off to the right. You really can't go wrong. As soon as we get up here a little further, you're going to be able to see the beach and everything. We came around the corner there, made a right. Kind of a busy road here, but if you look off in the distance, that's the beach. So that's how close the ship is to the beach. And we're even closer to the chickens. And you can see where the ship is. That's how far we've walked. This is a little shopping center here. Even a smoke shop. Aloha Glow Mini Golf. Fine Arts. Kind Coffee. Oh, indoor mini golf. So we've left the main road at Anchor Cove. This is Anchor Cove, by the way. But look, they have Hawaiian shirts, 2 for $46.
Because I get a discount.
Yes, 15 people for 15 people for the bridge tour. So if you need anything now, none of this is reef safe. I'm surprised they sell it here. At least I don't think so. And there's a unique gift shop. And Slain Irish Whiskey. And the Naughty Rooster. Is that what that is? Or is that, oh no, there's another little pub down there with a Guinness sign. Is this shave ice? Crazy shirts. Apparently, this shopping center has a free shuttle that all these people are going to fit in. It's a clown shuttle. Notice the windows are, because it's triple decker in there. Well, but you don't sit, you lay down and they stack you like cordwood, like coal. Anchor Cove has public restrooms. And it has the Mighty Rooster Irish Pub. That's what we've got to the corner there. But After you pass by the Mighty Rooster, you head for the shelter that has the name Dukes on it. There is a way you can just walk across the sand, but you have to walk across the water too.
They're really
But
necessary.
we're so some little shops here. We've walked 0.6 of a mile, 0.6 miles. Of course, you could have been on the beach right back there, but I like to go this way. There's a pizzeria, Portofino. The Life Outdoor Gear. They do rent surfboards and kayaks and snorkeling equipment, and well, we tried to snorkel here, but yeah, I mean, it's probably good on some days, just not this day, and not the day we snorkel here. So you see it there, beach chair, $25 a day, umbrella, 30 to 50. Wow. Chair and umbrella, 65. So there's the snorkeling gears, mask, fins, snorkel. And there's Duke's right there. Anyway, you walk across the grass and the hotel will ask you not to sit on the grass. That's hotel property. Sand is public, grass is hotel. So I guess they're not going to get chased off, but there's a possibility. Wow, look at all the stuff that's washed up here. I have never seen this beach this messy. Now, granted, this is only like the third or fourth time I've been on this beach, but it's never looked like this. Never, ever. So we're here after the storms, the middle of March 2026. I know you guys know that. And the water may be a little dirty, a little brown from runoff from the rivers. Of course, the beach is all covered with stuff like kids and logs and gannets and twigs and branches and pigeons and, well, you know. The water's cool, but my feet were hot. Now there is a certain number of rocks out here, but I haven't felt any yet. They might all, we usually go all the way to the end of the beach over there. But see that big pile of lava there in the middle? So, you see that helicopter? Now if you want to see how to get out to that point, watch our video. However, right there in the middle of the screen is an actual elevator, and it takes you up to where those pointy trees are, and then you can walk along there, and that's the golf course. That's the beginning of the golf course, and I think part of Happy Gilmore was filmed there. Anyway, that's how to get to the beach in Nawiliwili from the ship. And there is the ship. So from Nawiliwili and Kalapaki Beach,
I'm Janet,
and I'm Gary.
and we'll see you in the next part.
Bye.
Aloha.
Oh, by the way, my watch says 0.71 right to this point. 0.71 right to this point. Bye.